So you've gotten your kit, you're ready to go. Here are the steps. You've put your hair color and your developer into the bowl. So you're going to use your brush and whip it until it's a smooth, even consistency. We're going to apply Aquaphor to the skin for protection. Next thing I'm going to do is put my gloves on. I'm dipping the brush in the bowl. I wipe one side of the brush so I have pigment on the one side. With one hand, I hold the hair in place, and with the other hand, I take the brush and I do a press and a push motion. Press and push. And you'll notice when you're doing this properly that you can actually feel the coolness of the product right on the scalp. We're covering our roots, which means we're getting right down to the scalp. If you can't feel it, then you need more product on your brush and or you're not pressing firm enough on the skin. I'm going to use this side of the brush to create a parting. And I'm going to press it into the part. Okay, so now I have done hair color all the way down the middle of both sides of this parting. And I'm gonna do a parting. I wanna see that color push through when I pull that section down. Rag, and I'm just going to add a small amount of water, and I'm gonna just touch anywhere on my skin that I got hair color, just in case there's any sections that didn't get hair color on them. I still have my gloves on. I'm going to insert my fingers starting at the front, and I'm going to do very small circular motion, giving myself a scalp massage.